Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we are going to explore a place known around the world, Hollywood, the movie capital of the world. But how did Hollywood become the center of the film industry? Why do so many movies, stars, and dreams come from this place? Let's take a journey through time and discover how Hollywood rose to fame. In the early 1900s, filmmakers in the United States were looking for a place with good weather, lots of sunlight, and varied landscapes to shoot movies. At the time, most films were made in New York, but the weather there made outdoor filming difficult. So, filmmakers moved west to California, and they found a perfect spot, Hollywood, a quiet neighborhood near Los Angeles. Hollywood had wide open spaces, mountains, and beaches, all within a short distance. The sunshine allowed for filming all year round. Soon, small film studios started popping up, and by the 1910s, Hollywood had become the new home of American cinema. One of the first big studios to settle there was Universal Pictures, followed by Paramount, Warner Brothers, and others. These studios began making silent films that quickly became popular across the country and around the world. When sound was added to movies in the late 1920s, Hollywood exploded in popularity. In 1927, the first talkie film, The Jazz Singer, changed cinema forever. Actors became stars, and Hollywood became a symbol of glamour, fame, and success. The iconic Hollywood sign was first put up in 1923 as a real estate advertisement, but later became a symbol of the film industry itself. Over the decades, Hollywood has produced countless classic films, launched the careers of legendary actors, and created a global entertainment empire. Today, Hollywood is not just a place. It's an idea, a dream, and a major force in shaping American and global culture through film and television. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know how Hollywood became the movie capital of the world, and why it continues to inspire millions of people. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.